When free hooping and not using a hooping mechanism, I measure out where the center of the design should fall and mark it with a piece of tape. Then I flip the shirt inside out and make sure that I confirm where that tape actually is positioned so I don't hoop the wrong side of the garment. And then I triple check again because sometimes I'm distracted by my kids in the background. I size out a piece of stabilizer. In this demonstration, I'm using tearaway because that's all I had, but it still serves the same purpose for visual. I just go ahead and size it out so it's big enough for the hoop I'm going to be using, which in this case I'll be using a 5x5 mighty hoop. I put down an ample amount of adhesive to make sure that the stabilizer is secured to the shirt really well. Then I go ahead and turn it right side out, get it nice and flat on the table, and then once the shirt is flat, I feel around over the area where the stabilizer is, make sure there's no rippling of the material of the shirt or spaces between the shirt and the stabilizer. Then I take the bottom half of the hoop, get it inside the shirt underneath the tape area, and center the tape to that bottom portion of the hoop, and then connect the top half of the hoop to the bottom, and voila, you have a perfectly hooped shirt with your stabilizer centered with the edges coming out around the outer edge of the back of the hoop. And now you can load the shirt onto your machine.